Welcome back to the 30-day low-fat vegan weight loss challenge. Today is day 27. If you're new here, follow the playlist in the description box to catch up on all the daily videos and start your own 30-day weight loss challenge. Let's talk about how to lose weight fast. Now, this is a bit of a cheeky title for the video because the truth is that weight loss isn't particularly fast, and that's a good thing. Your body knows what it's doing, and for most of human history, starvation was a real threat. So our bodies needed to be good at storing fat. So I always want to tell my weight loss clients to realistically expect no more than half a pound to a pound of fat loss per week, with the exception of week 1, where you're losing water weight due to the drop in sodium from giving up the salty processed foods. But if you're at a weight loss plateau or just feel like the pounds are coming off really slowly, here are some things that you can do to get the ball rolling again. 1. Increase potatoes. Decrease rice and beans. Rice is about 590 calories per pound, and for beans, it's about 650 calories per pound. Potatoes, however, are only 350 calories per pound. So it really is a big difference. I kind of group potatoes and rice together in the wet starch category, and they're both fantastic foods. But if weight loss and, you're speeding up your weight loss is of interest to you, then potatoes are definitely the way to go. So definitely focusing more of your meals around potatoes and vegetables will bring down the overall calorie density of your meals quite a bit, which will help speed things up. Rice and beans are fantastic foods again. I don't want to say that they're not something that you should be eating. They're very healthy and I eat them both often. But again, if you're not seeing the results you want and still have quite a bit of weight to lose until you're in that healthy goal weight range, then this change can make quite a big difference. And you can make something like potato and veggie soups, which are super easy and very filling. Throw in all your favorite spices, and they're a really easy lunch or dinner. And you can still add in a few beans for protein and satiation, but you want the bulk of the meal to be potatoes and vegetables. Number 2, increase whole fruit intake. So many people are afraid to eat fruit for various reasons, but when looking at it from the perspective of calorie density, most whole fresh fruit is anywhere between 200 and 350 calories per pound. Grapes, for example, are 306 calories per pound. Oranges, 213 calories per pound. Blueberries are 229 calories per pound. So you could literally eat pounds of fresh fruit and still lose weight. And I'm sure you've seen the raw vegans or fruitarians online who are very slim and eat massive quantities of fruit. I'm not saying that you need to eat those huge bowlfuls of fruit all the time, but if you aren't eating much fruit now, increasing the intake of fruit in your diet can actually help speed up weight loss. And one reason is the natural sweetness can help satisfy cravings for higher calorie density desserts. And another reason is that their high water and fiber content help fill you up and make you feel satiated. Remember, this is only for whole, natural, fresh, or frozen fruit. Fruit juices or dried fruit, which are both much more calorie dense, don't count. Next, increase your exercise. Doing 30 minutes per day of a higher impact workout where you're working up a sweat can help burn calories and is just good for your overall health. This is specifically for anyone who's currently quite sedentary. Maybe you work at a desk job and don't move around much. Adding a 20 to 30-minute daily workout can really help get the pounds off faster. This would make an excellent 30-day challenge experiment. Keep track of your weight loss week to week and see how the daily workouts affect your progress. Next tip is to load up on raw veggies. Raw veggies are water and fiber rich, and they are extremely low calorie density. They also take a lot of time to chew and eat so that you get a chance to actually feel full. And think of how long it takes to chew carrot sticks or bell pepper slices versus the same amount of calories in a smoothie or fruit juice. You can slurp down a few hundred calories in a couple of minutes. So, eliminating drinking your calories is another thing that you can try as well. I talk often in my videos about the importance and benefits of doing experiments to see what works for you. You don't necessarily have to do all of these things on the list. You can choose one, like maybe you want to have a raw salad every day for lunch for 30 days, followed by a piece of fruit, like an apple or a bowl of pineapple chunks. Track your weight loss by weighing yourself on the same day each week and see how that works for you. And then after the 30 days, maybe that is working. You just want to keep with that and stick with that. Or maybe there's something else that you want to tweak and see how that goes. Just run experiment after experiment and keep tweaking things to personalize this way of eating so that you have a customized diet that works for your lifestyle, that makes you feel your best, that is filling and satiating, and is also easy for you to prepare. You want to have quick and easy meals that you can prepare so that you're not, following fancy elaborate recipes and spending half of your day in the kitchen. Unless you love doing that, of course. I hope this was helpful. Remember to be kind and loving to yourself during this process. I know it can be frustrating when you want to see results quickly, but you have to be patient and trust the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.